Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to install OpenPS2Loader to your PS2. You will need to have FreeMcBoot installed. I might leave a link in the description to someone else's video on how to do it. It depends on it, but there's a whole bunch of different ways of doing it. If you have Swap Magic, there's one way. If you don't have Swap Magic, there's another way. I did it the Agent Under Fire way. What you do is you basically patch a disk and you burn it. Then you have to swap the you have to open up your PlayStation and swap the disk in the middle of the game, and it launches the installer, basically. But there's a whole bunch of different ways of doing it. I did it the Agent Under Fire way, 007. So you're gonna want to. I'm gonna leave a link to this OpenPS2 download. This will probably be the link you get. You just click on it and it starts downloading OpenPS2Loader. So, now that you have OpenPS2Loader on, you're going to want to go to My Computer, or this PC, and you're going to want to go to Format, and you're going to want to format it as FAT32. It doesn't matter the volume label. Click Start, OK. And it will delete everything on your flash drive. Everything. So, alright, so now that everything's deleted, open up your thumb drive. There was nothing on it before anyway, I was just me trying it out. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up the file, and you're going to want to open this up, and you're going to find this, all you need is this. These are all the credits, you can just open them in Notepad. How to install, didn't make sense to me, license, all this stuff. But all you need is this, so just copy, go to your thumb drive, paste, done. Now that you did that, you're going to want to make two folders, one called CD, and one called DVD. So now you have to find out. I don't know what a CD game looks like because all my games are DVDs. Here, wait, let me Google it really fast. So you see, it says Ghostbusters, and you see here how it says DVD-ROM. That means that is a DVD game. If under here it says compact and then it has disc like that, you have a CD game. Okay. So that's important to know the difference because it won't work if you have the wrong ones. Oops. Here. So depending on what your game is, you go into if you have a CD game, go to CD. If you have DVD game, go into DVD. So then once you're in DVD, you're gonna want to go to where your ISOs are. So now I'm going to do that now. Here are all my PS2 ISOs. I don't have a lot, yes I know. This is the smallest game I have, and it's Agent Under Fire again. So I'm just gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste it here. And while that's doing that, I'm gonna show you if you only have the disk, how to do it. So you're gonna want to install a program called ImgBurn. I'll leave another link in the description for that. ImgBurn. Okay. You're going to want to go to create image file from a disk. Put your PS2 game in your DVD player. And then you're going to want to put it, remember where it's writing down where it's exporting to. Just press this button and this progress bar will go up. I'm not doing it because I already have it. Yes. I'm not doing that because I already have it. So yeah, we have to just wait for this to finish. Okay, so it's done copying to my thumb drive DVD folder because I have a DVD on my PS2. I have a DVD game for my PS2. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open this with WinRAR. I'll also leave a link to that in the description. Or if you're using the disk method that I showed you, then you're going to open up the file and then you're just going to have it here. But if you're using an ISO, you need to open it up in WinRAR and look for this file. It looks like this. It has a number. It has numbers. SLUS or something like that, and then numbers dot something. So as you can see, they're both the same. So I'm just going to go back to my thumb drive, and you need to name that. You need to name it the same thing. So SLUS_202.65. So S_202.65. And then after you write that, do another period dot and name it what you want the game's name to be. And if instead of doing a space, do an underscore. So let's see, 007 Agent Under Fire. Done. And once you've done that, you're basically done. So now you want to unplug your thumb drive from your computer and plug it into your PS2. Sorry about that. My mom was calling my sister. So plug your thumb drive into your PS2, plug in your FreeMcBoot memory card, and plug in your controller, and just start it up into FreeMcBoot. Once it started up into FreeMcBoot, just have it your card into its slot one. If you just installed FreeMcBoot. But yeah, so as you can see, sorry for the jump cut, people, but I messed up. So this is the jump cut. So first you're not gonna find PS2Loader anywhere. Obviously. So you're gonna want to open up Launch Elf. Okay. And wait for this screen, and then press circle. And go down to mass, and press circle. Then you're gonna see your CD folder and your DVD folder. Except if you try to run this, it doesn't do anything.
If I saw it at the store, I probably wouldn't catch my eye.
Sorry, that was my dad. But so you're gonna want to copy this by pressing R1, go to press copy. It should say copy to the clipboard at the top. Now go to the two dots and then go to MC0, because MC0 is your free boot card. So go to MC0 and go to boot. Now you're gonna press the R1 again, and you're gonna go down to paste and press circle. It's gonna start pasting it. It'll take a second. Fine. So you're gonna notice that when you reboot your PS2, that you're still not gonna have OpenPS2Loader because you still haven't set you still haven't set it to be a menu option. So you have to set it as a menu option, and then you can run it. You can technically run it right off your flash drive, but obviously it's easier to do it from your menu. So you're going to want to go to now you're going to want to go to configurator. Press X or circle, whichever one you press. Just press circle to keep everything in the video the same. So go down to configure OSDSYS and press circle. And you're going to want to go down to configure item, and then it has a number. So you're going to want to go to number 7, or the next blank option you have and press circle. And you're not going to have this stuff. It's just going to be blank. Everything's going to be blank. So you want to go to name, just use this keyboard to type in whatever you want. Okay, and then you're going to, where it says path 1, press circle, go to MC0, then go down to boot. And remember that file we copied? The I think it says OpenPS2Loader. My capture card is a little blurry, I can barely read it, but you're gonna go down to it and press circle, and now you're gonna have something there. And now just go down to return, press circle, go down to return again, press circle, and then go down to save CNF to MC0. Press circle. It'll say saved to MC0 at the top. Go down to PS2 browser and press circle and just wait for your PS2 to finish rebooting. Above your boot computer, we have PS2Loader. OpenPS2Loader. I'll just name it PS2Loader. Press X and wait for OpenPS2Loader to start. Okay, wait, you will not have this. Okay, you'll see this. So first you're going to want to go to settings, go down to USB device start mode, and set that to manual. Set this to manual, set this to manual, and set this to manual. Set them all to manual by pressing X and using up and down or down to go down. Or press down to go to manual for all of them. And then for this one, I set the default menu to USB games. And go down to OK, if I can find my cursor. There it is. Go down to OK. And press start on your controller, and then press X to start reading from your USB. Just leave the loading. There it is. 007 Agent Under Fire. If I press X, now you will see the flashing colors. Probably should put an epilepsy warning. I don't know if it's epilepsy or not, but I'd probably have to put one in. So, but yes, there are flashing colors. Don't worry, that's normal. It's just copying. Like most of the 99% of loading screens have this because it has to copy from the flash drive, which takes longer than copying from the CD. So now you take it. See, I have the flashing colors again. That just means it's loading. I'm not going to play, I'm just going to show you that the game is actually working. I think it does maybe take a little bit longer because it's USB 1.
Here. There appear to be two ways into the building.
for watching. You could barely hear my voice for that, because I forgot to turn down my game volume, but thank you for watching. As you can see, the game works perfectly fine. So, yeah, thank you for watching.